Welcome to another episode of Task Mathematics. Today's mini lesson focuses on the subtraction of integers. Now, when you're subtracting integers, you must first change it into an addition problem. What do I mean by that? Basically, you're going to add the opposite of the second number. Let's take a look. I have 2 minus 8. So I'm always going to keep my first integer, and the rule states you're going to add the opposite of the second number. So I'm going to add the opposite of my second number. My second number is a positive 8. That is your operator right there, which is telling you to subtract. So my second number is the positive 8. Its opposite would be negative 8. Now I've changed my problem from a subtraction into an addition. And remember our rules for adding integers? When the signs are different, such as this, you will perform a subtraction. 8 minus 2. Who's the bigger here? The bigger number is the 8. So we're going to keep the negative. So my answer is negative 6. Let's try that again. B states negative 6 take away 7. Always keep your first integer. And then we're going to add the opposite of your second integer. My second integer is positive 7. So its opposite is negative 7. Now I'm going to add the negative 7 plus the negative 6. Remember the rule? When the signs are the same, you're going to add. So I'm going to add 6 and 7, and I'm going to keep the sign. So my answer is negative 13. Let's look at C. We're soon finished. We have 2 minus negative 9. As always, keep the first integer. We're going to add the opposite of your second integer. My second integer is negative 9. Its opposite, positive 9. Now this is a fairly easy one. 2 plus 9 is 11. The last one, negative 11 minus negative 4. As always, we keep the first integer. We add the opposite of your second integer. My second integer is negative 4. Its opposite, positive 4. Now I have to remember my rules for adding integers. When the signs are different, I'm going to subtract. 11 minus 4. Who is bigger? The 11. So my answer will be negative. So my answer is negative 7. Always remember that when you're subtracting integers, you must change your problem into an addition. And what does that mean? It simply means you add the opposite of the second number. Always keep your first number and then add the opposite of the second. And remember your rules for adding integers. Same signs, add and keep the sign. Different signs, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck in your task examination.